Welcome to Exquisite Info TV, where we uncover the most fascinating creatures on the planet. In today's episode, we're diving into the vibrant world of parrots, intelligent, colorful, and full of surprises. From their amazing ability to mimic human speech to their dazzling plumage, parrots are truly nature's chatterboxes. Stay tuned to explore their unique behaviors and discover why these birds are more than just pets. They're fascinating creatures of the wild. Parrots are able to play tricks due to their high intelligence, strong problem-solving skills, and remarkable ability to mimic sounds and actions. They are among the most intelligent bird species, capable of learning patterns, understanding commands, and associating actions with rewards.
Okay. Freaking pancakes.
Excitement or happiness. Parrots may bob their heads, sway, or dance when they are happy or excited, especially when interacting with their owners or hearing music. Through their vocalizations, mother parrots can guide their chicks, alert them to danger, teach them essential survival skills, and even pass on certain calls or sounds that are unique to their family or species. Nutritional support. Parrot chicks are born helpless and cannot feed themselves. Parent parrots regurgitate partially digested food, which is soft and easy for the chicks to digest, providing the necessary nutrients for growth. Parrots can dance to music because they possess a high level of intelligence, a capacity for mimicry, and a keen sense of rhythm. These birds have the ability to synchronize their movements with external stimuli, such as music, which is a trait known as beat perception and synchronization. Parrots mimic human speech due to their highly developed vocal learning ability, which allows them to imitate sounds they hear in their environment. This trait is essential for their communication within their social groups in the wild, where parrots mimic the calls of others to establish bonds and coordinate with the group. In captivity, they often mimic human speech because humans become their social group, and parrots naturally pick up sounds from their surroundings. They are especially skilled at imitating because they have a complex vocal apparatus, which allows them to produce a wide range of sounds, including words and phrases.
You can't just stand on her. Listen to you. You just stand there and think about it.
Thank you for watching this colorful journey into the world of parrots. If you enjoyed learning about these fascinating birds, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button to join our growing community here at Exquisite Info TV. Share your thoughts or favorite parrot facts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. And as always, stay tuned for more amazing wildlife stories and discoveries. See you in the next video.